Preparedness comes for me in multiple different facets. I don't ever want to be 10 miles offshore surfing some of the waves we surf down in Mexico and not have something I need. And being prepared with active skin repair or the right leash or the correct wetsuit or life jacket for that instance is something that I rely on myself and my friends and partners and the public rely on. And that's why I always carry the active skin repair and a second leash and extra life jackets and different things like that. It's something that's built into my personality, whether that's from lifeguarding and also growing up with a dad that's a fireman.
I mean, I was trained when I was young, like if it's not burning and hurting really bad, then it's probably not killing anything. You know, with this product, it just feels like cool, soothing gel. And my kids love it, and I'm like, I kind of feel like super dad. Whether it's a cut, an insect bite, a rash, I just like, hey, come on here, let me put this on. And they're just like, whew, they just feel good. And most of the time the inflammation goes down, the redness around whatever they've done. And I'm just like, yeah, I took care of that problem.